And I don't even care if someone gives me funny looks. They're going to actually be very jealous of my crown. Maybe some people will think, wow, who's that queen? She must be the queen of a magical land. And let them think that, because I'm the queen of my own heart. Z is for zip ties. A zip tie is also known as a cable tie, one of my DIY staples. First things first, I'm going to make a crown fit for the queen. Take an Alice band and zip on your cable ties in a stunning arrangement. Now I'm alternating colors. I'm just going to be very creative with this, guys. Cable ties come in all sorts of different fun colors, but I've spray painted these gold. Look what I've got here. Some rhino stones, because I'm going to shine bright like a diamond. You could make this for a fancy dress party or any kind of party. Ta-da! Who is the queen of DIY? Me. Suzelle. Toodles. Broken zip getting you down? No problemo. Take a cable tie, zip tie, and there you go, zippity-doo-dah. Zip tie, zip. Here's a quick tip on how to unzip a zip tie. Take a screwdriver, pop it into the back of your zip tie, and apply some pressure. There's it. Ready to reuse. Are your cables in a mushy mess? Well, don't worry, because that's what cable ties were made for. Lay them down on a surface, neaten them up, and let's go with our first cable tie. Make a loose loop, pop the smaller cable ties in between each cable. Tighten your first cable tie until it's nice and compact. Trim it. Make sure you don't cut your cables. You can repeat this process along the length of your cables. Look at how beautiful and organized these cables look. This is going to change my life. Beverage too hot to handle? Use cable ties, zip ties, to turn a glass into a mug. Just take some rubber bands, pop them around your glass, thread in 2 cable ties, zip it closed, there's it. How's this for a mug shot? Suzelle, where did you go? Nowhere. I was right behind this shower curtain that I was about to hang up. Pop in a zip tie. Make sure all your loopies are the same size. Who needs shower hooks? And anyway, this is much more colorful and creative. Last one. Ta-da! Bye! Can I have some privacy, please, Marion? Just jokes. Still have one more hack to do. DIY bubble wand. I've made my own bubbles using a bit of sunlight liquid mixed with water. Start by zipping your zip tie into a little arrangement. Zip these guys together. Trim it. There's it. Zip tie bubble wand. Let's dip it. Look at that. And guess what, guys? These magical bubbles bring us to the end of my Suzellphabet. DIY because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching the Suzellphabet, everybody. Until next time, my friends. Bye! Z is for zip ties, otherwise known as cable ties in South Africa. So, check out these cool things you can do with cable ties, zip ties.